Hello everyone, in this video I'm bringing you jobs in Australia. Yeah, I know there are a lot of people that want to move down to Australia and are currently looking for jobs. So in this video I want to show you positions in Australia that are offering visa sponsorship, offering a relocation package, and so much. Like, it's a very good deal, and I feel like it's something you would like to take advantage of. Like, you're gonna actually move down to Australia for free because this company is going to sponsor your relocation down to the country, and they're also going to be looking for accommodation for you. I think it's a very interesting opportunity to move down to Australia. I have a video on my channel about the visas you can use down to Australia. I have a full playlist, for Australia. So if you're really interested in moving down to Australia, then do check out that playlist. And also, if you're just in the relocation space, right, my channel is a very good place where you find jobs and visa information.
If you're here for the first time, my name is Jackie and you're welcome to my channel where I share content to help you migrate abroad to study, to work, and to live. My mission on this channel is to assist you improve your quality of life by opening your minds to opportunities that exist for you abroad. If this is the kind of content you want to be watching, then consider subscribing to my channel and possibly turn on the post notification bell so you will know when I post a new video. Right now on my channel, there is so much content that you can take advantage of. I have content on how to migrate to several countries like the UK, the Netherlands, Ireland, Portugal, Japan, Australia, so many of them. So you may want to watch my old videos so you can know your options. And to my returning subscribers, I really want to appreciate you all for always coming back to watch my videos. Shout out to JBZ. You're always watching all my videos and I highly appreciate it. And if you've been watching my videos and you're yet to subscribe, I would really love to have you as a subscriber, so really consider subscribing to my channel. You've been watching my videos, so obviously you like what I do here, so support the channel by subscribing. Thank you so much. And also, I have something special for YouTubers and anyone that wants to be a creator here on YouTube. I have a channel where I teach you how to run a YouTube channel. You can check out that channel. The name is Jackie Finance. I'll be linking it up here and in the description box as well. So on that channel, I'll be sharing my secrets and strategies to running a successful YouTube channel and also other side hustles you can do online. So that channel is basically how to make money online. So if you want to be a part of that channel, then check out the link and join the channel. The name is Jackie Finance.
All right, this is Holland. It's one of the top companies in Australia that hire foreign workers. So I'm going to be taking you through this website so you can see what they're about, what they are offering, the vacancies currently open. They are hiring in 53 occupations, like 53 occupations. So regardless of what the company is about, they have 53 occupations that they are currently hiring for. So let's look at the website. So what this company does is, okay, they said we are a trusted partner delivering projects that transform journeys by creating new road and rail networks. We partner with communities to provide essential infrastructure, designing, engineering, constructing, and operating services across Australia and New Zealand. We connect people to the places they want to go and to each other. At Holland, we are all about connecting your sense of purpose to ours. We understand that your career is one of the biggest ways to have an impact on the world. We are dedicated to providing you with a safe workplace, innovative training, career development opportunities, and a supportive culture. So this company is 70 years old and they're one of the leading recruiters in Australia that hire foreign workers. So let's quickly look at what they have for international applicants. Whether you're starting out or making your next career move, this is the place to do it. With our easygoing lifestyle, natural beauty, diverse culture, and climate, Australia is a great country to live and work in. And we are here to make it as easy as possible wherever you are in the world, helping you settle in with immigration assistance, relocation, and finding a home, with a huge variety of roles across Australia and the chance to expand your skills and further your career options. There's a real future with us. Okay, so let's see more. They have here how here's how a successful application works. First thing you do is to fill in and submit your application online. Then you have the online interview and then interview with HR, reference checks, online communication, pre-employment, medical, formal job offer, visa lodgement, relocation. So basically these are the steps you're going to be going through when you want to join the team. I think it's a very good one. So you're definitely going to see how to apply for these jobs right here in this video. I'll be showing you that. So let's quickly look at the benefits of joining this company. At John Holland, the benefits are as diverse as you are, ranging from personal rewards through to contributing to society. If it matters to you, it matters to us. So these are the personal rewards. They have benefits including 18 weeks paid parental leave for the primary carer, regardless of gender. This applies within 6 months of birth or adoption, meaning you can support your partner to return to work. And then they have no minimum employment period for permanent employees before parental leave. And they also give an extra 18 weeks in the case where the primary carer takes additional unpaid parental leave. And then they have 2 extra days of leave per year to do whatever you need for your well-being. Employee assistance program providing confidential and professional mental health and relationship support for you and your immediate family. I mean, these are really amazing benefits. And they have flexible work framework within a range option, and they have multicultural leave exchange where you can swap out public holidays for days that are culturally significant for you. I think this is really great. I'm loving this company. So you can check them out and see if this is a company you would like to join in Australia. So remember I said they have jobs in 53 occupations, right? So yeah, they have jobs for building and property. They have corporate jobs. They have infrastructure jobs, rail jobs, tunneling jobs, water and wastewater jobs. So let's look at corporate jobs first of all. Let's see what's available in corporate jobs. So we're going to be looking at yeah, so if you see them down here, they have workday adaptive planning lead, IT service desk analyst, IT service senior legal counsel, data science, IT graduate. I mean, it's quite a lot, so you can go through the list to see if there is a job for you. Okay, so let's look at all the jobs available. So we're going to be seeing the jobs in all occupations right now. So we're just going to click on all jobs and then scroll down to see them. There are currently 128 jobs right now, 128 different roles that are currently open for applications. So you can go through the list to see, if there is something for you. I believe there should be. They have jobs in rail, in design, administration. They have jobs in building, information technology, engineering. There's so much available right here. And remember that they have visa sponsorship, relocation package. They'll help you find a home, and things like that. So I think that this is really great. Okay, I think we should look at one of these jobs to see the details. So let me choose one of them that we can quickly look at, see the job description, what they're looking for in the candidate and things like that. Okay, so let me choose one of this and we can look at it together. So this is digital optimization manager, right? So here's the job description, what you'll be doing, and the main responsibilities. So this is the list of what this candidate is expected to do in the company. And then this is what you must have, right? Certificate or diploma in film and media and communication or related field. So you can see certificate and diploma is accepted, so you don't necessarily have to have like a bachelor's, a master's and all of that, right? So only 3+ years experience in a similar role is needed. So I think this is amazing. I don't know what you think about this, but I feel like this company is a company you should definitely look at to see if you can join the team. So let's click on apply now. So you need to create an account to apply for the job. So just head to the website John Holland and create an account and then look for the role you want to apply for. So you can also share this with your friends and family so they can take advantage of this company to relocate to Australia, because they have an amazing relocation package. If you found the content useful, do give this video a like and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out when I post new videos. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.